Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We are comparing the two most popular 2.2 liter capsule water jugs on Amazon. Here is your H2O capsule in the Fimibuke. These are great capsule water bottles, but which one is the right one for you? Let me give you the quick breakdown, then we're gonna give you the up close. Now the Fimibuke, the advantage here is that it has a zipper and it has a permanent straw, okay? Very nice. The H2O capsule, what's nice about it is it doesn't have a zipper, so it's not going to break. It has pockets instead. It has an opening where you can chug it, and it has the removable straw option. On top of that, it has this to filter the water, as well as a straw for cleaning, or a brush for cleaning the straw. So both are great products. Each one is going to be able to hydrate you. Each one's BPA free. Also, I personally like that the H2O capsule is an American company. I'm not certain on the other one, but both are great products. You don't have to worry about it. You're gonna get a great product when you pick these up on Amazon with Amazon Prime. But the H2O capsule and the Fimibuke, let's go ahead and look at the up close portion of the video and you can make a decision. All right, folks, here they are side by side. It's the H2O capsule, kind of the premier brand that everyone's been talking about that's been taking the world by storm. And also the Fimibuke. This thing is a great water bottle too. Both have their advantages. Neither have too many disadvantages. These are both great products. So let's go ahead and look at the differences. Now they're both the same size, 2.2 liter water bottle, and they're both BPA free. You flip them over, and the Fimibuke does have a zipper pocket, where the H2O capsule here has a dual insert pocket, which is great for your phone, and it does have the clip for your keys. Okay, so the advantage here is that the H2O capsule has the key clip that you can use for holding onto stuff. So that's a nice advantage. They both have the exterior handle, and they both have, see, there's the handle, very similar, and they both have to where you can throw them around your shoulder, over your shoulder. When you open them up, very similar design here. But what I like about the H2O capsule is that the straw is removable, okay? So you've only got one option to drink here. Here you can use the straw or not use the straw. Gives you a little advantage to the H2O capsule that it is a removable straw, not a permanent addition. So you can sip it straight from this. And personally, I don't like using the straw all the time. I like being able to drink straight out of the bottle. On top of that, the H2O capsule comes with the brush for cleaning your straw. Let's open it up. I don't see, there's no capsule for cleaning the straw. So you have this permanent built-in straw to the Fimibuke. Very nice product. And then the H2O capsule, you have the removable straw, and there's a filter guard so you don't get any solids or whatever. So I have to give the slight advantage to the H2O capsule because that's just a nice opportunity there that you've got the removable straw, and you've got the kind of the hook for your D-rings or your keys, as well as the cleaning, as well as the filter. Slight advantage, although the Fimibuke is has a zipper. Now, problem with zippers is they do break way more easily. Okay, also the H2O capsule is an American engineered company, and it is designed and made in the USA, at least designed in the USA by an American family, okay? So anyway, pick out the one that's best for you. They're both fantastic, kind of like the H2O capsule, but either one is going to be a great option. Both the same size and a very similar bottle. All right, thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.